Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to next Family video tutorial. Now, guys, for this episode, actually just showing you the speed that I'm getting from my Starlink. So, of course, it is now available in the Caribbean, and that's in Jamaica. So, would have just done a speed test. So, 184 down. So, I've been doing some speed tests for the last few minutes. So let's do a second one. So as you can see there, 60, 70, 80, 90, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 71, 81, 90, 200. Right, so 207. So we definitely getting some good speed, and that's the down. I'm quite sure that the up is really good in terms of ping. At the moment I'm getting 96. Not bad, I would say excellent for a satellite internet. Of course, if this was fiber, then I know the ping would be way down 20, 19 and thereabout. But definitely, guys, can't complain. So this is the wireless router. I will be doing a video showing you how to actually link this Starlink internet into your home network. As for this model, does not come with any Ethernet port for you to actually plug into a switch or plug into another wireless router. You'd have to purchase a adapter online. In Jamaican, I think it is 9,000 thereabout, but definitely not gonna go that route. I would have solved that problem by using a TP-Link access point. Actually turn it into repeater mode. I can definitely show you that. Actually working on my network at the moment, but I can definitely show you what I'm talking about. Right, so this is the TP-Link repeater that I'm using. So actually repeat the Starlink signal, and definitely the Ethernet or the LAN section of the adapter for the TP-Link. Just basically plug that LAN cable into my existing network, and that's how I actually get it in my network, because as I said, there is no Ethernet port on this. But of course there are ways in terms of linking it or get internet to another wireless router or into a network. Definitely can leave a message in the comment section of the video in terms of getting the instruction. Well, of course I'm going to actually do a separate video showing you how to do that. So as you can see, 27. So let's go again, do another test. Sometimes you will get like 40, 50, so it actually fluctuates, but an average really over 100, and really getting some good speed. And I have not actually tweak it in terms of moving the dish on the roof to see if I can get access to another satellite that will give me better speed. So 152, gonna do a final test. So really works great. So the speed definitely fluctuate a lot. So 110, 120, 130, 140, 50, 160, 170, 176. I mean, getting this speed anywhere in Jamaica definitely works well. So you can use this Starlink in the mountains, but definitely not in the gullies, because you'd have to ensure that the dish itself is actually seeing clear sky. That's how it will actually communicate with the satellites out there in outer space. So once again, guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again, guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.